The iCar certified and ASE trained professionals at Rod's Custom Collision Repair Center can handle all your auto body repair needs. We provide prompt, courteous, and professional service with every visit to our shop. We can repair or replace the upholstery for all types of vehicles. From cars and motorcycles to boats and airplanes, our professionals have built an excellent reputation for delivering outstanding results. We can restore your foreign or domestic vehicle to its previous condition. We work with all insurance companies to make the process easy and worry-free. Contact us today.